Yes, it's your boy El Zenito. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching this video from and when you're watching this video. Today, we are going to be talking about something very, very amazing. So, over the past few years, I've always been using QR code generator.com, and I've always seen people use it as well. And recently, people have been having issues with that particular site whereby you can't probably generate a code without having to log in or without having to pay for subscription and stuff like that. So I was doing my research and I found out a way to create free QR code right from Microsoft Word. It's very, very mind blowing, right? So you can create QR code from Microsoft Word, then export it as PDF, then take it to wherever you want to take it to and work on it from there. So we're going to show you how it's done. So first thing first, go to your Microsoft Word, right? So when you go to your Microsoft Word, hold on, so when you go to your Microsoft Word, just go to your blank document. So the first thing you want to do is you want to, hold on please. All right, so here is where we're going to create everything we need to create. Like, it's quite simple and straightforward. There's no special, it's just, it looks like coding, but it's not coding, right? It looks like coding, but it's not coding. So the first thing you want to do is you're going to press, on your Microsoft Word, just click on Control F9. Now, when you press Control F9, this particular parenthesis comes up, right? Now, the first thing you want to then do is, I'm trying to get the full information here. The first thing you want to do is just go to click on display code, right? Display barcode, not display code, display barcode, right? Now, when you click on display barcode, then you're going to put in the apostrophe. Is it apostrophe? That particular quotation mark. Sorry, not apostrophe, quotation mark. Yeah. Now, put in any website you want to put, or whatever it is you want to put would be inside that quotation mark. So for me, I'm going to put elzenito.org, right? And I'm going to close it with another quotation mark, right? Now, what you want to then do is just press QR/Q3, right? Now, just look at this. This is exactly what you're going to be putting into your Microsoft Word. First, you start with Control F9. When you press Control F9, that box shows up. So inside the box, you're going to type in display barcode, quotation mark, www. whatever website you want to put, then .org, then close the quotation mark. Then you put QR/Q3, right? And when you are done, the next thing you just do is press F9. Are you ready for the magic? F9. All right, so apparently F9 is also the button in which I end my video recording. So immediately I press F9, it switched over. But yeah, the moment you press F9, the code or the QR code is generated, the barcode is generated, and you automatically have this. Right now, you can take your phone and scan this, and it automatically takes you to the website that you have imputed. Right now, what you want to then do is, because you can't, on a normal day, you could probably just copy this and take it to probably PowerPoint or wherever it is. But let's say you want to just use it on Photoshop, right? Or you want to put it on a flyer. Just export that particular document as QR code, right? Let's call it QR code, and let's export it to our desktop, or let's export download. So press save, right? And you're going to export it as PDF, right? Now you can see this is it, right? Now if I try to, let me see if I can use, I'm currently using my phone to record. So, but if you use your phone to scan this, it automatically takes you to the website. So after doing that, we can just close our Word file. And what you want to then do is open your flyer. Let's say you're working on a particular flyer. So let me open one of my flyers that I'm working on. Right, let's open Miss Marvel. All right, so let's say you want to now put in your QR code here. What you just do is go to download, open your PDF using Photoshop, right? So locate Photoshop. If you can't locate this is it. If you can't locate it, just drag and drop, right? So I'm going to just open it and press OK. And this is it here. Now, what you want to then do is just go to select color range, choose black, and press OK, and just Ctrl J to separate the QR code from the background, right? Then just take your QR code to your poster. You can increase the size like so. And that's basically it. You just created a free QR code right from Microsoft Word to anywhere you're taking it to. And because it is Microsoft Word, it is free for life. Like it's just there, right? It's just there. And everybody can just scan it and it goes, right? So you can use it from now to eternity, right? So it's really, really dope how people can come up with stuff like, I don't even know how people are able to think about it. I guess people that are into coding would understand. But yeah, this is one way to generate free QR code. Would you be testing this out? I know a lot of persons will definitely try that, because a lot of time people generate QR codes from this site that will require them to pay subscription and all. But you know that right now you don't need to use those sites anymore. All you need to do is just go to your Microsoft Word and just put in that code. I'm going to drop in the code to the description, right? I'll drop it in the description so that you can just copy it and just edit your own site, and you're good to go. So that's basically it, guys. If this is something that you've been waiting for, give me a like, comment, and share. And I'm going to see you next time.